Welcome, ladies, let's get to business. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. A single mom in the aftermath of COVID-19. There is still a lot of work to be done. The COVID-19 epidemic has affected millions of individuals in the United States, and single parents find the new normal exceedingly difficult. Making ends meet, for example, might become hard if a family's budget is based on a single source of income, which then vanishes due to pandemic-related job loss or dwindles owing to decreased hours. It's difficult enough to manage childcare as a single parent while schools are closed. Much alone homeschooling without the assistance of another adult, there are fewer playdates and social outlets for children as social separation becomes the norm in 2020. Resulting in many lone parents have become their children's primary source of enjoyment. Any of these issues would be daunting under normal conditions. When you combine them, you get a much more frantic life. The fact is that the social safety nets that traditionally kept single-parent households viable have mostly disappeared. Here are some resources that can be useful to such families at this trying time. Although not all of these organizations were created with single parents in mind, their resources may help tackle some of the most important issues that single parents face. Financial help for single mothers. Financial Help for Single Moms is a comprehensive directory of programs and organizations that assist single mothers. It includes everything from national rental assistance options to state-by-state support programs that provide grants and financial help. If you need assistance, the site is a great place to start. Single mothers who generate money can supply you with comprehensive information to assist you in your endeavors. Aid to Needy Families for short-term help. Even though this program is not designed expressly for single parents, many single parents find it quite helpful. TANF Temporary Help for Needy Families is a program that provides financial assistance to low-income families for a limited time. The support is available to those who have one or more dependent children under 19. Women who are expecting a child are also welcome to apply. Even though it is a federal program, states get grant money to deliver these benefits locally. Therefore, check for your state's program. Participants must have a very low income and be underemployed or jobless to be eligible co-abode. Paying rent or housing expenses on your own as a single mom may be challenging, and CO Abode was developed to help you. CO Abode is a nationwide organization that provides a house-sharing service that unites single women with similar interests and parenting philosophies to share a home and raise their children. Participants. According to the organization, participants' home expenditures may be reduced by an average of 40% via the program. In addition to saving money each month, the program aims to give participants friendly support and reduce the loneliness that comes with being a single-parent. Children's health insurance program. If you're a single parent without health insurance, the Children's Health Insurance Program (CHIP) may be worth checking into. CHIP is a low-cost health insurance program for children whose families make too much money to qualify for Medicaid. The program also covers pregnant women in several states. The qualifications vary per state, but the most important thing to remember is that you may apply at any time of the year. You will not be compelled to acquire insurance for your children if they are qualified. Here's where you can find out more information. The Low-Income Energy Assistance Program, LIP, helps low-income people save money on their energy bills. Another federal program, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, ALEA GAP, was established to help low-income families pay their energy costs, which may be helpful for single parents who are trying to make ends meet. Although particular conditions and availability vary by state, the program is offered to low-income families that spend a large portion of their income on heating and cooling. In California, for example, the program provides one-time cash assistance to help eligible families pay down their utility bills, as well as energy crisis interventions for qualifying homes experiencing power outages in New Jersey. The program similarly offers aid. The Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Babies and Children (WAC) were founded in 1974 to assist nutritionally vulnerable low-income pregnant women, postpartum women, nursing mothers, babies and children under the age of 5. For those who qualify, WAC offers healthy meals to supplement diets as well as nutrition education and referrals to healthcare when evaluating eligibility. Income, residence, and other considerations are considered. To enroll, you must book an appointment with the WAC state or local agency in your region. The Single Mom Guide is another website devoted to serving as a resource for single moms. It is a really useful website that lists the many types of grants available to single moms, from educational awards to childcare aid, childcare assistance program. CAP. One of the most challenging issues for single parents to cope with is childcare. CAP childcare assistance program may be able to help you. CAP is usually administered by a city's Health or Human Services Department, and it is accessible in many cities and states. The program's eligibility requirements vary by region, but most of them need you to have young children who need to be cared for while you work. In addition, there are income limitations. The Rhode Island proposition pledges to pay the cost of childcare for children under the age of 13, who are citizens or legal residents of the United States. CAP offers childcare assistance to Colorado residents who are employed, seeking employment, or jobless. You're at school and need childcare. Search CAP in your state's name to uncover local program options. Nutritional Supplemental Assistance Program, SAP. SAP. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SAP, may be a lifeline for single parents whose family income has been substantially cut. The program helps low-income families augment their food budget by providing nutrition benefits. You must apply for this program at the state level, where you will find further information about eligibility requirements, such as income limits. The Single Parents Alliance of America is a nonprofit organization dedicated to assisting single parents. Sometimes a single parent needs to talk to someone who knows what they're going through. The Single Parents Alliance of America's website has information on this sort of connection. It was established to provide single-parent families access to a vast network of other single parents to empower them. According to the website, over 3.8 million single-parent homes have received support and services. It is entirely free to register. Once members, parents may join organizations, attend events, and engage in a range of activities geared for single parents. All of the materials are also free to use. The Single Parent Support Network, a final resource website for those just beginning their search for help, claims to be designed to encourage, motivate, and empower its target audience. The drawback is that this website seems to be exclusive to residents of Oklahoma. There is, however, a resource website with downloadable information sheets describing the assistance services available for residents of the state. In the areas of birth and pregnancy, education, food, housing, and health and safety. Furthermore, the organization may link single parents in other states to local resources or projects that may be helpful. Thank you for watching all the way through, and we hope this information helps you to be successful. Please check out our new blog and sign up for a chance to win prizes and cash toodles.